I'm looking out for possible buy opportunities on step index, and I'm expecting the buys from this level, from this zone. So what's my analysis basically? Why am I looking out for this buy opportunities from this level, from here, right? On the retest of this level of this zone, I'm looking out for step index to give a good buy move. Right, I'm likely to enter this trade right now, but let me see if I can finish up with the analysis. Then I would give you guys an update later on how this trade played out, on how the buy trade played out. I shared this buy setup to my VIP members and on my free Telegram channel, my public Telegram channel. So the first thing I did analyzing this index was to go to a higher time frame. I probably started from the weekly time frame, and I was able to identify the market direction, the overall market direction on this index. That's the first thing I look out for. That's the first thing I do whenever I want to analyze the market. I spot where the market is headed to, and we can tell that this index is in a downtrend, long-term downtrend basically. This index is on a downtrend. So after that, I spot our levels, the levels the market formed, and we have one of those levels here. Level of support, resistance, it sells the downside, right? And our next level probably is at this point. So everything is looking nice on the weekly time frame. We'll be able to identify the market direction, spot our levels and zones. So you have this trend, this current trend here. This is a downtrend that price is currently on step index. We've gotten the first buys at this trend support as a support. The first buy is there, the second buy is at this zone, and probably the third buy is at this point on the weekly time frame. So the last 2 weeks, this index was bullish. You can see it's shown on this candlestick that we got a bullish week last 2 weeks. So the last week probably was a bearish week. Now a bullish candle is flowing up, and we have like 2 to 3 days of this candle to close. I'm already getting this bullish candlestick formation on this current week, which means that we're likely to get more bullish moves on this index, because the last candle last week was a bearish week. So we are supposed to actually get the bearish week continuation, but instead we're getting a bullish week flowing up on this structure. So in daily time frame, you can see that we already got a level here. Firstly, we have this level that if in any way you are to see price buy to the upside, we have to watch out for this level as our general target level, our main target level on this index on the buys. Right, so the 4-hour time frame is looking nice as well. Right, we're already getting price creates this bullish structure, this higher lows formation. Market is already in an uptrend on the 4-hour time frame, and we had this previous trend which price has broken out of, basically this previous downtrend. So currently this index is in an uptrend on the 4-hour time frame, and it's on lower time frames to look at for our trade opportunities after you might have identified the market structure on the higher time frame. Regardless of this downtrend, I'm expecting price to give the buy move to the upside, because market is currently on a trend support level. You can see the first buys, second buys, and probably the third buys here, which we are to get more buy move to the upside. So everything is looking nice and great on step index. The 4-hour time frame is looking good too, because we can see the market is currently in an uptrend. Market is in an uptrend on the 4-hour time frame. We can see this market trend clearly on the 1-hour time frame. Market is creating higher highs and higher lows formation. But I can't just get into the trade right now. I can't just buy this index here. I have to still wait for confirmations on step index at this zone to buy this index, right? I have to get the confirmations that this index is actually going to buy from this zone before I can execute this trade. Right, so that's my analysis and view basically on step index. And this level I identified as my possible buy zone is a level that we got price or market react on multiple times. We've seen price buy and sell on this level as a support and as a resistance. The first reaction here is a support, second reaction resistance, and resistance at this point, resistance as well here, resistance here too. So we're expecting the buy move from this zone to the upside on step index in the coming hours and days, but I have to still look out for confirmations on the lower time frame before I could take my buy trade. And this confirmation will be like candlestick rejections, reversal pattern formations on the lower time frame at this point before I could buy this index. So if I'm to take this buy trade on step index, I would give you guys an update on how this trade played out later on. So that is, guys, that's my view and market analysis on step index price action. Basically, I was able to analyze from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame for our possible trade opportunity. Until we get confirmations on this index, I wouldn't buy this index. Right, so I'll still wait for confirmations before I could take the buys on this index. So hit the like button for more trade analysis like, and drop a good comment in this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for engaging my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and double after it.